Hello team, today we're talking about ergonomics. And before this starts sounding like a lesson on how to sit in a chair, let's make this practical. In manufacturing, ergonomics matters because the work we do can be physically demanding. Lifting material, loading machines, reaching into equipment, repetitive inspection, deburring, fixture setup, working at a CMM, sitting at a workstation. Most ergonomic injuries don't happen all at once. They happen over time. A little strain, repetition, awkward posture, poor lifting habits, reaching too far, twisting too often. Eventually, small discomfort becomes a bigger problem, and the goal is simple: prevent the injury before it starts. Around here, ergonomics isn't just about reacting after someone gets hurt. It's about identifying opportunities early to improve how work gets done. Because often, a small adjustment can make a big difference over time. Sometimes that means adjusting a workstation. Sometimes it means changing how material is lifted, how tools are positioned, or how a process flows. Sometimes it means reducing repetitive movement or improving access to equipment. The idea is simple. Fit the work to the person whenever possible, not force the person to fight the work. Each team member will go through an ergonomic evaluation with their manager or a safety team representative. The purpose is to identify opportunities to improve ergonomic health in your workspace and daily work activities. We'll look at things like posture, lifting, reach distance, workstation setup, repetitive movement, and process flow. Not because something is wrong, but because prevention is always better than recovery. We also evaluate ergonomics during JHA, Job Hazard Analysis, when we review jobs, setups, lifting tasks, equipment, or non-routine work. We also look for ergonomic risk. Could lifting be improved? Can reach distance be reduced? Can tooling, fixtures, or workflow be adjusted to reduce strain? These are the kinds of improvements that help people work safer and smarter over the long term. And here's something important. Speak up early. If something feels awkward, uncomfortable, repetitive, or physically demanding, say something. Don't wait until discomfort becomes injury. The people closest to the work usually see the best opportunities for improvement, and small changes early often prevent bigger problems later. You'll also see simple ergonomic expectations throughout the facility. Lift correctly. Use available lifting aids. Avoid awkward reaches and unnecessary strain. Adjust workstations when possible. Take care with repetitive tasks. Simple habits matter, because the way we work today affects how we feel tomorrow. At the end of the day, ergonomics is about working smarter, not harder. It's about protecting your health, reducing fatigue, and building a work environment that supports people for the long term. The best ergonomic fix happens before discomfort becomes injury. Thank you.
If you have any questions or need further clarification, please reach out to the author of this training. You can contact Robert Gallegos, Director of Quality and Engineering. Questions are always encouraged, because a well-understood system is a controlled system.